Today it's Sunday. I got a phone call last night for a floor drain. He needs snaked out there. It's not draining. His water heater is leaking, so he kind of needs that to be working until, I don't know, I got to talk to him about the water heater, but I'm sure my other buddy's going to be dealing with that. So yeah, gonna go grab the trailer and I'll see you guys at the house. Get it!
Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Go upstairs.
Hey,
come on in. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Jeremy.
Oh, Jeremy, not Patrick.
No, it's alright. And you're Scott. Before I look at this, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you can leave your shoes on. Don't worry about
You sure?
it. Yeah, sure. This is the gang.
Hi.
Hello.
We're doing morning snacks and coffee. Do you want a coffee or anything?
No, I'm good.
All right. Pardon the
Hi.
mess. I left the shop vacuum. So
Is
we
it
got.
coming from the tank, or is
It's
it coming
coming
from? Okay.
Well, it's coming from underneath the tank anyway, so I figure it's the tank.
And is Jeff doing some of that?
No, it's a rental unit with Reliance, so we've asked them to come out
Oh,
and take a look.
perfect.
So they hopefully will come today, but if not, then tomorrow, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah. So I don't know what you need from me. Get out of your way.
Do you have a hose connection here? Anywhere?
No.
Yeah, you do. You have
Yeah.
it. Thank you. Okay.
Where? Which one? These guys?
Yeah, I'll just use one of them.
Oh, okay.
I do record all my maintenance stuff, so is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine with me.
Okay. I don't get you guys, I just get this.
Yeah.
I'll just end up moving this probably.
Yeah, the cat litter's usually in here, but we didn't want the cat
Okay.
shitting everywhere if they were scared of the shop vac.
I'll grab some stuff.
Okay.
Alright guys, we got a leaky water tank. It's a rental, they'll be coming to fix it or replace it later, maybe today. They have a floor drain that's backed up. This house is probably a 70s house. I'm gonna snake it, should do the trick. I'm using the Ryobi today. My Ryobi drain snake. Got water there if I need it. This drain snake, this Ryobi one, has come in clutch pretty a few times for me. I forgot my gloves, my other gloves.
Why you're always trying so hard to make me surrender? Why you always in my face? Do you really think it's over? 'Cause I've been kicked when I'm so down.
Alright, I'm gonna run some water. There's a trap. There should be a trap at the bottom of this. So that water really should never go away. But I'm gonna run some water so you can get it flushed out.
Nobody can steal my fire. Nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can steal my soul. Now the sword is in my hands. I'm holding on for dear life. If you try to take it away from me, I hope you're out for a fight.
There's some hair and lint I'm gonna run this right in the trap. I'm gonna flush it some more. It's probably just the trap that was gummed up. There's usually a pump on these, but can't see it. There it is. We actually have it going there.
'Cause I've been kicked when I'm so down, too much until it's numb. And there's nobody can steal my fire, nobody can steal my soul, nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can steal my fire, nobody can steal my soul, nobody can steal my soul. Holding on my life till the very last breath, got me feeling fucked up, see the floors are red, but now I know that I'm safe in a place called home.
I'm gonna flush this out one more time. I'm just using a mop bucket. But yeah, so I'll flush this out one more time, see if the customer wants me to get my camera in there and see if I can see anything. The condition of the pipe here to the actual main line. Gonna flush it out, clean up, and see what they want to do. Get it. So it's good. It's good to go.
Okay.
There's always going to be water there.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So I just snaked it. It felt like there was some stuff in the actual trap.
In the trap, yeah.
But then there's a little bit going down. I pulled out some hair and lint, but that's
I was pulling out like gobs and gobs of sewage.
You
shit.
probably got the worst stuff.
Yeah.
But that's over the years. This is what, a 70s house probably.
I think it was 82 or
80?
85, something like that.
Yeah. So that's just what it is. It's over time.
Yeah.
I'm just
If
going to
it's
show
never
you
been
that it's
cleaned.
draining,
Yeah.
and then what I can also do is I was going to ask you if you want me to camera it. I got a camera I can put down there, and this goes to like the main line,
Right.
but
And then
it'll show you the condition of the pipe.
Okay. I mean,
It's extra, but it's up to you. Like it's draining, it's fine. So
yeah,
you'll be
no,
fine.
I think it'll be fine then.
And I'm in there with my snake. I'm 50 feet in, so I'm into the main somewhere.
Yeah. Good,
But
good.
that should that's what your water level should be. But I don't see
Yeah.
anything else like priming this drain, so that's going to go away. Like it'll dry up, because usually there's this line off your furnace or something usually gets put into there.
Yeah.
Or not back then, but they put it underneath the concrete and slip it in. But it's not like that. So
Okay. So
it
I should just
does-
make sure to, like, once a month,
Yeah,
dump a bucket
every
of water
couple
down there.
weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be
Okay.
gone in a couple weeks for sure.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, other than that, you're good.
Amazing. That's quick and easy, I presume. Well, it's quick anyways.
As long as you have the. I flushed it out like 5 times. To make sure. Good to go.
Amazing.
I did take the filter out. I didn't use it, but
Okay.
it's right there.
Where's the filter now?
What's that? Oh, it's just right here.
Oh, okay. I didn't see it there. Is
You can,
it?
if it didn't get wet, you can actually just. This actually looks like moldy spores.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get another filter.
Ball dirt anyway. This. That's what you got. Yeah, that's what you pulled out.
Yeah. Yeah, I was just playing and go quicker than I think I did.
Yeah, we're good to go. It's a bunch of hair.
Really falling about the water heater.
It's all in who you know, I guess.
Yeah, sure.
Jeff's a good guy.
Yeah. You do a lot of work with him?
He does all my HVAC
Yeah.
and anything like that, furnace. If I can't diagnose it, then I just had him at another unit I did that I went to where I would go on diagnosing like a furnace,
Yeah.
and I just couldn't get it. So he literally came, charged me an arm and a leg,
Did he?
and he was there for 5 minutes because it was just one step beyond my knowledge. So,
Oh.
but
What do you specialize in?
everything. I do house renovations.
Yeah.
I do property management. That's a big part of it.
Okay.
I work with investors. I build duplexes and things for them,
Okay.
and then I do the management and the maintenance.
So if my lottery ticket last night does cash in, then,
I won
property
$5 on mine.
management's the next thing. And I'll be hiring you to build and manage.
All right, guys, there you go. Another happy customer. Very happy the drain's working. It was probably just a very small amount that was in the trap. But yeah, it's what I do. Easy money. I'm paid, they're happy, and they have my card, so they'll call me for something else in the future, hopefully. Nice people, a couple kids. Yeah. All right, guys, just gonna drop the trailer off, and until next time, get it.